Never dispute with Midland Collection Agency until you watch this full video, because if you do, it's gonna hurt your chances of getting results. But once you learn this method that I'm gonna share with you, it's gonna help improve your chances of getting results like this, and like this. What's up, family? I'm back with another one. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. So in today's class, I'm gonna be breaking down how to actually knock Midland out, just the strategy of what you should be doing, because what most people are doing it the wrong way, and I want to help you do it the right way. So sit back, relax, grab a pen, get some paper, get something to drink, because I'm breaking it all down for you step by step by step. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about the hidden rules that's going to make that collection vanish or that charge-off vanish. I understand you got Midland going on, but you might have something else on your report. So you might have, of course you have the collection, or you might have student loans with late payments, or you might have an open account with late payments. Maybe you have a charge-off. Maybe you have a repossession as well. Maybe you bankruptcy as well. And I want to share with you because I've been working with lawyers. I understand what's going on, and I want to help you. Now, I'm not saying I'm a lawyer, but when I talk to them, when I share with them what's going on with my clients, and we work together, I start to pick up some of the things that they look at, the violations, the things that they go after. So when it's time, if you need to, work with them, then you have a full case, and it's easy for them to help you. Okay. Now, and lawyers just don't work with everybody. I want to help you, of course, remove that collection, that Midland off your credit report. I want to help you remove if you have a charge off, if you have a repossession, if you have a bankruptcy, student loans with late payments. I want to help you remove this, okay? Now, a lot of people who watch this channel is not subscribed. But if you are subscribed, I thank you for watching this. But if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And also share this with your close friends. Who else is on this journey with you of fixing your credit? So share this with somebody else, all right, so they can get this information and knock the credit bureaus out, all right? But round one, what this actually looks like. See, what most people do is try to dispute saying it's not theirs, but what you need to do is leverage some information that's gonna allow you to remove the account from your report. So you can't fix what you can't see, all right? If you can't see it, how are you gonna fix it? What I mean by that, I'm going to share with you here in a second. Go to hiddencreditreport.com. When you go to hiddencreditreport.com, you're going to be able to leverage information that most people don't even know exists. All right, but since you're here watching this video today, you're going to be able to see the information that most people don't know exists. All right, so create an account with Smart Credit for just $1. All right, now what you do is then when you log in, you're going to click on reports. You're going to click on 3B reports and scores, and then you're going to click on switch to classic view. When you click the switch to classic view, then you're going to be able to see everything on your report. And the information that you're going to be able to leverage is going to help you remove the account from your report. See, what most people do is try to go say it's not theirs with the collection agency, or they don't respond at all. And that's when they get hit with lawsuits and, but what we're not going to do is we're not going to ignore the collection agency. We're not going to do none of this. All right. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not telling you you're right. I'm not here. I'm just here to show you your rights. I'm just want to share with you what you can do. So instead of going after the collection agency, what you want to do is go after Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, because they're the one that's reporting information that is not 100% correct. And according to this law, everything has to be 100% accurate. Everything has to be assuring maximum possible accuracy. All right. And when you look at the account, is not doing that, all right? So what you want to do now is investigate the completeness and accuracy of everything on your report. Your name, your date of birth, your address, your previous address, your employers. You also want to go over everything on your report, the open accounts, closed accounts, delinquent accounts, derogatory accounts, the balances, public records, inquiries within the last 2 years, okay? And then you just examine every single account on your report. Look at the TransUnion, Experian, Equifax. Look at the balance. Look at the open date. Look at the last activity. All right. Check the payment history of the account. Check if you're in public records. Analyze the inquiries. And then once you figure out everything, Now what we want to do is leverage this right here, AI. Most people don't want to use AI for whatever reason, but AI is not going nowhere and it will help you much faster versus trying to do everything manually. Before, you had to go line item by line item, circle everything, do everything. But no longer you have to do that. No longer you have to know all the specific laws. You can leverage artificial intelligence to help you with all of this, okay? So what you want to do is leverage this prompt right here. Screenshot it, all right? And then act like a world-class dispute expert with 20 plus years and find violations according to FCRA and Metro 2 compliance, okay? And then you're going to go over here, right? Act like a world-class credit repair expert or dispute expert with 20 plus years and find violations according to the FCRA and Metro 2 compliance, right? And then it's going to break down every single violation for you, okay? So with that collection, not only with the collection, if you have, I'm going to tell you, I forgot, screenshot the collection, the Midland collection, and other negative accounts on your report, okay? And then from there, as you can see, it got the violations, okay? Number one, date of last activity, 3 different dates. And you can read this, all right, date, right? Number 2, right? Date of last activity, the date open, TransUnion contradicts the other 2. Number 3, pay account rating with the blank data of last payment, all 3. This one shows this. 4, reagent, red flag on Equifax plus missing data first delinquency. All right, payment status versus accounts condition mismatch. Our original creditor field inconsistency. All right, number 7, non-uniform. All right, and then the legal theory to anchor on. All right, so as you can see, and then you have 7 things basically which you can leverage with these violations, okay? Now, one of the things you can then ask Claude to do is then, hey, create me a letter for Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax with the accounts shown as evidence and tell them to delete this account immediately for violations of this law, and this law, right? 15 U.S.C. 1681 EB and whatever laws and the violations according to what you discover, right? And then from there, make sure tell them I don't want the account to be modified. I want the account to be removed from my report, right? So the collection agency removed from my report. All right, it's going to craft you 3 letters, one for Experian, one for TransUnion, one for Equifax. Now remember, with these letters, all right, it's not 100% guaranteed when you send these letters off, but make sure you send these letters certified to Experian, to TransUnion, to Equifax, all right? Send the letters off to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and then make sure you add 3 forms of identification: driver's license, proof of residency, so it could be a water bill, light bill, cell phone bill, insurance, something that has of course, your name and address. And the third proof could be a picture of your social security card, a picture of your passport, or if you have some other identification, right? And then you send that, add that with your letter. It's gonna be one for Experian, 3 forms of identification, one for TransUnion, 3 forms of identification, and one for Equifax, 3 forms of identification. And I would say to, even add more to that letter, get it notarized, okay? So in Claude, you can tell it, hey, add a place where I can get this letter notarized. And then from there, you're gonna send, once you get that, add that place, you go get it notarized. You can go to UPS. I believe you can go to the library, the bank, and then charge, or you can look up some free places where you can get it notarized. And this is gonna increase your chances of getting those accounts, not just that collection, the Midland, but other accounts off your report, all right? Hold up, wait. Now, you probably have a lot of questions that's going in your head, and I understand because I was just like you years ago, right? Trying to figure this out all by myself, and I didn't really have nobody to ask questions to. But since you're here, I want to invite you to the Credit Circle, where thousands of other members that's in this community who also have questions that might be going on, and I'm going to be able to help you and answer those specific questions every single day. And I also go live once a week, and I'll respond to your question, whatever you have going on. I might have to do a screen share, whatever that looks like. And I'll also show you how to wipe your credit and unlock $25,000 even with bad credit I'm basically going to break it down, and you can start completely free. You can get a 7-day free trial. Test it out, see if you like it. All right. Now, I understand if you don't want to join, it's okay. I thank you for watching this video, and if you have any other specific questions, let me know. But this is going to be pinned to the comment and pinned to the description. I'll see you aside, but if I don't, thank you for watching, and let's knock the credit barrels out.